The Vampire's Curse. The Vampire's Curse. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a mysterious castle on a hill. People said it was haunted by a vampire. His name was Count Dracul. He was a tall, dark man. He had sharp teeth. Everyone was afraid of him. One day, a girl named Lily moved to the village. She didn't know about the vampire. Lily was a brave girl. She was not afraid of anything. She lived with her grandmother, Mabel. Mabel told Lily about the vampire. She said, "Do not go near the castle, Lily. It is a dangerous place." Lily was curious. She wanted to see the castle. One day, she decided to go there. She walked up the hill. It was a sunny day. Birds were singing. Flowers were blooming. Lily was not afraid. When she reached the castle, it was dark and cold. Lily felt a shiver down her spine. She opened the door. It creaked loudly. Inside, the castle was dusty and old. Lily walked through the rooms. She saw old paintings on the wall. She saw a grand piano. She saw a big bed with red curtains. Lily heard a noise. It was a soft, whispering voice. It said, "Who is there?" Lily looked around. She saw a figure in the shadow. It was Count Dracul. Lily was not afraid. She said, "Hello, I am Lily. I am new to the village." Count Dracul was surprised. He was not used to visitors. He said, "Hello, Lily. I am Count Dracul. Welcome to my castle." Lily and Count Dracul talked for a while. Lily was surprised. Count Dracul was not scary vampire. He was a lonely man. He was sad because people were afraid of him. Lily felt sorry for Count Dracul. She said, "I am not afraid of you. I think you are nice." Count Dracul smiled. He was happy. He said, "Thank you, Lily. You are very kind." Lily and Count Dracul became friends. They spent a lot of time together. They played music on the piano. They read books. They talked about the world. One day, Count Dracul told Lily a secret. He said, "I am cursed, Lily. I cannot go out in the sunlight. It will hurt me." Lily was sad. She said, "That is a terrible curse. Is there anything I can do to help?" Count Dracul said, "There is a way to break the curse, but it is very dangerous. I do not want to put you in danger." Lily said, "I want to help you. I am not afraid." Count Dracul said, "Thank you, Lily. You are very brave." Lily and Count Dracul made a plan to break the curse. They needed to find a magic stone. It was hidden in a cave, deep in the forest. Lily and Count Dracul went to the forest. It was dark and quiet. They heard the sound of animals. They saw the twinkling stars. They reached the cave. It was cold and damp. Lily and Count Dracul went inside. They saw bats flying around. They saw spiders on the walls. Deep inside the cave, they found the magic stone. It was shining with a blue light. Lily picked it up. She said, "We did it, Count Dracul. We found the stone." Count Dracul said, "Thank you, Lily. You are amazing." Lily and Count Dracul left the cave. They went back to the castle. Count Dracul held the stone in his hands. He said, "I hope this works." Lily said, "I believe in you, Count Dracul." Count Dracul said the magic words. The stone started to glow. It was a beautiful light. It filled the room. Count Dracul felt a chance. He said, "I feel different. I feel lighter." Lily said, "It worked, Count Dracul. The curse is broken." Count Dracul was very happy. He said, "Thank you, Lily. I am free." Lily and Count Dracul went outside. It was a beautiful day. The sun was shining. The birds were singing. Count Dracul said, "I can go out in the sunlight. It is a miracle." Lily said, "You did it, Count Dracul. I am proud of you." Count Dracul said, "I couldn't have done it without you, Lily. Thank you." Lily and Count Dracul were very happy. They spent a lot of time together. They went for walks in the forest. They played music. They read books. Lily and Count Dracul were very happy. They were the best of friends. They did everything together. They explored the forest. They had picnics by the river. They watched the sunset. One day, Lily said, "Count Dracul, I have to go back to my village. My grandmother is sick. I need to take care of her." Count Dracul was sad. He said, "I will miss you, Lily." Lily said, "I will miss you too, Count Dracul, but I have to go." "My grandmother needs me." Count Dracul said, "I understand, Lily. You are a good person. Take care of your grandmother." Lily said, "I will. Count Dracul, I promise." Lily and Count Dracul said goodbye. It was a sad goodbye. But they knew it was the right thing to do. Lily went back to her village. She took care of her grandmother. Mabel got better. She was very thankful to Lily. Mabel said, "Thank you, Lily. You are a good granddaughter." Lily said, "I am happy to help, grandmother." Lily and Mabel spent a lot of time together. They talked about the old days. They laughed and cried. One day, Lily said, "Grandmother, I have a story to tell you. It is about a friend I made. His name is Count Dracul." Mabel was surprised. She said, "Count Dracul, the vampire?" Lily said, "Yes, grandmother, but he is not a bad vampire. He is a good person. He is my friend." Mabel listened to Lily's story. She was amazed. She said, "Lily, you are a very brave girl. I am proud of you." Lily said, "Thank you, grandmother. I am proud of myself too." Lily and Mabel were very happy. They were a family. They loved each other very much. Lily missed Count Dracul, but she knew he was happy. He was free from the curse. He could live a normal life. Lily learned a valuable lesson. She learned that it is important to help others, even if it is difficult, even if it is dangerous. Lily became a strong and confident woman. She was not afraid of anything. She was ready to face the world. And so, Lily's adventure came to an end. The end.